Alright, so we have another algebraic question. Mary was paid a basic salary of $M per week in a restaurant. If she worked for 6 weeks and then spent $150, how much has she left in terms of M? So for each week, she is getting $M. So if she works for 6 weeks, she will get $M times 6, which is $6M. But don't forget, she went to spend $150. So 6M take away 150 to get a final answer of 6M minus 150, close this bracket. Final answer for this question.